Hi, Rodney. What are you today?
I'm doing shapes.
You're doing shapes. Are you a construction worker today?
Yeah,
Turn around this way so I can see you. Are you a construction worker?
I tried to fix the car's bikes and ride a plane bike.
Okay. Do you have tools?
Yeah,
Whoa, what kind of tools are those?
a hammer
A hammer?
and a saw.
A saw? What does a hammer do? What do you do with a hammer?
This saw smash the car like this. And a saw is about like this.
Wow. What color is that bike you fixing on?
Orange.
It's orange, just like your hammer, Rodney, and your construction work vest, and your goggles.
And
Okay.
my black car is black. And my McQueen bike is red.
Okay. Well, today, what are you doing today, Rodney?
Shapes.
Shapes?
Yeah.
Do you know your shapes?
Like there.
Wow. Let me get a good look at those shapes. Whoa. Do you know all those
Well, I
shapes?
got shapes.
Okay. Let's start over here. Let's start right there first, so we can see. Let's point.
Octagon.
Wait. Let me get by. Let's start down here.
Square. Square. Circle. Circle. Octagon. Oval. Diamond. Star. Heart.
It's a hexagon. Good job.
A cone. A cone. Triangle. Triangle. A cylinder. A pentagon.
Wow, Rodney, give me a 5. Not what you saw. Don't cut off my hand. Don't cut off my
I'm
hand.
not cut your hand.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. You're a good constructor work. Give me 5. Okay, now, let's get back to these shapes. Right here on the right, we have an octagon. How
Now let's
many
try the shapes.
how many corners does an octagon have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow. No. Count it again. How many corners does an octagon have?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right. So an octagon has 8 corners, guys. 8 corners.
1,
Now, how many corners does a hexagon have?
1,
Count loud.
1,
At the hexagon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. So a hexagon has 6 corners, guys. Rodney, count out those corners for me. One more time for the hexagon. Hexagon. Count those corners.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Great. Now let's move down to the pentagon. How many
1,
corners?
2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's
Wow.
try the shape.
Wait a minute, 1 second, Rodney, because everybody else got to learn too, okay? So we have an octagon, a hexagon, and a pentagon. An octagon has 8 corners, right, Rodney? Look, 8 corners. Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, and a hexagon has how many corners?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Great, and a pentagon has how many corners?
6.
A pentagon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great. Now we're gonna move on.
5.
5. So, Rodney, here on your table, you have some items that look similar to the ones on your board.
Okay, I got.
So, I want you to show me, I want you to give me off that board, I want you to pick up a square and show me a square off the table. Give me a square.
What the? No, it's not square.
Okay, give me a square.
Yes, right there, Robert.
Okay, so show me the square.
Right there.
Let me see. Does it match with a square?
Yeah, right there.
And what other square?
Right there.
Great. That's the square. Now let me see the square. Show the camera the square so we can see it. Keep it still like this. Great. Now, I want you to show me a circle. Give me a circle.
Right there, right there.
Let me see it.
Perfect.
Perfect. Now, what does that match on the board? Where does that circle go?
not right. Yes, that's not red.
And it's another circle up there. Where's another circle? What color is that circle?
Yellow red.
Talk loud.
Yellow red.
Great. Now I want you to give me a cylinder.
Where's that perfect?
Let me see the cylinder.
Perfect.
Let me see. Perfect. Now where does that cylinder go on the board?
Right there, yes.
Let me see.
Okay, perfect.
Is it a perfect fit?
Yeah.
It is a perfect fit. Now let me see it one more time. Wow. What color are those cylinders?
Red.
The one on the board. Talk loud.
Red.
And let me see the one in your hand. What color is that in your hand?
Red.
Great. Now I want you to show me a heart. A heart. Give me a shape of a heart. Well, let me see that heart. Wow. And it even has Daisy on it. Now where does that heart go on the board?
I got D.
D. Great. Great job. Where does the heart go?
Right there.
Let me see.
Right there.
Wow. It's perfect. Okay. Give me an
Triangle.
triangle's fine. We can do triangle. Let me see. Wow.
Okay, triangle is like this.
Wow. What is it? Another triangle up there?
Yeah, like
Perfect. Now give me
a square.
an octagon.
Octagon. Right there.
Count the corners. How many corners is
1,
that?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So 6 is what?
Right there, yeah.
Let me see. Where's 6 go?
Right there.
A hexagon. So 6 corners equals a hexagon. Now I want you to give me an octagon.
Octagon.
An octagon.
Like this.
Now let me see that octagon.
Right there, yeah.
Let me see.
Right there.
Wow, perfect. Count the corners on that stop sign.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Great, perfect. So an octagon equals 8. Rodney,
Now let's try.
let me see a cone.
A cone.
Wow. Let me see. Where does that cone match?
Like this.
Let me see.
Like this.
Perfect. Rodney, you did an awesome job. Now, can you go over your shapes one more time before you go build a house? Okay. Talk really loud and go. Point.
Square, square, circle, circle, octagon, oval, diamond, star, heart, a hexagon,
Great.
a cone, a triangle, a cylinder, a pentagon.
Perfect,
Now let's
Rodney.
make a house.
Rodney, guess what? In order to be a construction worker, you have to know your shapes. And you have to know how to count corners. And you need to know your numbers. And you also need to know how to read. Ooh, you gotta take off your gear. It's hot in that gear, but at least you'll get paid. Lots of money. What? Oh, you're putting your hat back on. Okay, back to what I was saying. Construction worker, Rodney. You did a terrific job. Thank you so
Now
much.
let's make a house.
Let me see you make a house.
This.
Go ahead. Let me see you fix those shapes. Go. Whoa. Perfect.
Got it.
Great. Ooh, you really know how to build a house, Rodney.
No. I make a new way to your house. Ah.
Wow.
There it goes.
Perfect.
It's a nice house.
Thank you. Thanks, guys, for watching Rodney's Play and Learn channel. You too can do this. Don't forget to subscribe. Say bye, Rodney.
Bye.
Turn around. See you next
See
time.
you next time.
Don't
Don't
forget.
forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Rodney.